to be a performance. Today we're going to be working on the number 1 cylinder. I noticed when checking for fouled plugs that the plug didn't want to screw all the way in, and I looked down in there and could tell that the threads are a little bit cross-threaded. Now there still looks like some meat left in the cylinder, so I think I can just correct the threads by retapping it. So if your threads are totally gone, you'll have to completely pull the head off and do a helicoil kit. To retap it without getting any metal down into the engine while it's still all connected together, what we're going to do is cover the end of the tap in grease. So there's our tap with no grease on it, and here's the tap with grease on it. You see that there's grease in all the flutes, and that way any metal shavings should stay stuck to the tap and not fall into the engine. Next, we're just going to stick it in there as straight as we can and send it. You can see here on the end, it held the metal shavings in the grease. So next we're just going to see if the spark plug goes back in. You should always be able to thread your spark plug all the way in by hand. You should never have to use a wrench or an impact to put a spark plug in. And then once you get it all the way to the bottom by hand, then you can take your ratchet and go 1/8 to 1/4 turn, and that's it. That's all you need. So we're going to go ahead and fire this up and see if we dropped any metal down the cylinder, and see if we still have a good motor or if we murdered it. Okay, we did a good job. It's running as smooth as it ever has. No problems. Didn't have to take the head off. A little bit of smoke because there's some grease in that cylinder, but that's just fine. So that's how you fix a cross-threaded spark plug hole in your head. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends, and peace out.
Broadcast performance is what it stands for.